My name is Dee Dee. I'm from Ontario, Canada, and I found out about Leaf Filter through a card that was placed in my mailbox. And I thought, oh, there's a senior's discount. Awesome. Oh, there's a discount for people who are the first 50 callers. That's awesome. So I phoned, and within a short amount of time, someone phoned me back. It was like an hour later, and we made an appointment. And because I have a busy schedule, I knew that the next day was available for me. And this wonderful lady came out. She did the sales pitch. I thought everything sounded great. I did do my research, and I do like Leaf Filter. So that day, we made arrangements for somebody to come out and install the Leaf Filter gutter system. And the fellow that came out, he worked on his own. Everybody was professional, punctual, and eager and enthusiastic. And that's what I really enjoyed, whether it was customer service, the sales lady, or the man that installed the gutter service.